Hey, here, I'll just ask ChatGPT.
There's nothing.
Oh, okay, boy, show me. Post that ASAP.
You hear something.
Part of it wants to be mad at her for kidnapping us, but you gotta love her.
Chop, chop, gentlemen. Look alive.
You gotta shut the fuck up, yeah? Jesus Christ, shut up!
It is everything you've ever asked of us. I just like this ridiculous accent to make me feel more at home. But no, I'm not off loud and proud. I love myself the way I am. And I'm a what is going on
In a magic world of colors, look what we can do.
すぐそこサンクス
We don't want